this whole coronavirus quarantine thing, I wanted to start bringing you some at-home projects you can do with your kids, whether it's a science experiment or a DIY. Jordan's gonna help me with as many of these as I can get him to. It sounds like he really wants to take part in these. But this first one should be really fun. It's kind of like a mix of a science experiment and a DIY project. If you take these coffee filters, you're gonna use markers. Mr. Sketch markers, I've read, are the best, but you can use any sort of washable marker, so if you only have Crayola, that works too. And then they call these fuzzy sticks. These are pipe cleaners. It said to use black ones because we're gonna be making little butterflies out of them. I think the colored ones are more fun.
Okay.
Okay. And then, you wanna hand me that too? Sorry, I have a cat on my lap. You're also gonna need glasses of water. Don't drink out of it, because that's how you get the color to transfer from the bottom of the coffee filter up to the top to make them look pretty cool. Just hot. So I'm gonna move the camera so you can see what we're doing. So I'm gonna have to move the cat, but essentially this is all you're gonna need for this one, and I'm assuming most people probably have most of this at home.
Let's see. Alright. Boom.
Blue.
Blue.
What you're gonna do is you're going to do a big, thick, dark circle around where, like, it kind of goes upward into this.
So like this ring? Just...
Yeah, the ring. And then we're gonna take these cups of water, and you're gonna barely put them in, kind of like fold them up.
Okay.
Barely put them in the bottom. So you can put that there, and then what it does is it slowly like absorbs all the way up through, and then this color is gonna end up going up into the top.
Okay, mine's barely touching.
Of the coffee filter.
Did I follow your tutorial correctly?
I believe so.
Okay.
So we're just gonna leave it be for a little bit, and we'll come back to it. Here are our coffee filters after Jordan didn't think it was gonna work. His looks really cool. His went from purple to blue. You can watch these as they go. We didn't. But yours all the way to the top on this one.
Yours kind of just skipped. You could just white filter up to your colors.
Maybe because it's green.
Maybe. Oh.
How long do you think this was? Like 15 minutes?
Maybe
like that?
10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah. So it's a quick experiment. In this portion of it, it's not what we're gonna do with them. They do need to dry. Alright, so we kind of expedited the drying process of ours and used a hairdryer on low. It actually only took like 2 minutes to do each of them, and now they're dry. So we have these pipe cleaners.
Fuzzy sticks.
Fuzzy sticks.
Thank you.
And we are going to cut them in half. So we're just gonna cut them in half. Jordan's gonna do his. Do the honors.
Thanks. Okay.
And then we're just gonna crumple them up.
Right in the middle?
Right in the middle. Really fun, a coffee filter.
Mm-hmm.
And now...
Oh my gosh, she is having a good old time. Mine definitely doesn't look like that.
Fold them in half with the pipe cleaner in the middle, and then you're just gonna twist. And those are your two butterfly coffee filter.
Looks like a bow tie to me.
So there's a fun little experiment with an easy couple of, not even ingredients, materials.
Yeah.
That you probably, if you have kids, you have them laying around the house. And if you drink coffee out of a pot, not a Keurig, you probably have the coffee filters, so.
There it is.
Butterflies.
Yep, that's a thing.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.